This is Sheree for Just Nailed It. We are here on SheModern Saturday. We had a little bit of a mishap. I had the video all filmed 22 minutes. Go to put it in my editor. It won't accept my intro, my outro, my movies, my video. It's all saying there's no space. I have an SD card in. It's not putting my stuff on the SD card, so I'm really confused. So needless to say, I can't use that video. I gotta go over briefly what I did. My important news for today is go check out Hillbilly's creativity. She is at 983 subs. She needs 1,000. For watch hours, she needs 4,000. She is at 3,191. She needs like 809 watch hours. So if you've got 8, 10, 15, 24 hours, you can play her on your tablet, your computer, your laptop. You have any kind of an extra device. Please, I beg of you, balls to the walls. Now is the time to pull out all the stops. She needs these watch hours. If you are watching this and you have not yet subscribed to Hillbilly's Creativity, run right over there and subscribe to her. I'm going to do my best to put her link in the description box. If not, it'll be down in the comments pinned, so check that out. Tell her I sent you. Tell her you're going to do some watch time. And if you do, after you've put in those 8, 10, 12 hours, come back and let me know. Come back and tell me something in my comments to let me know, because I may have an incentive for the peoples. I may draw a lucky subscriber that did watch time for Leslie through my channel. Anyways, that's my important information for today. Don't forget my own giveaway for the SheModern Sticky Stamping Polish. It is a set. I'm sorry, here we go. It is a set of the sticky white black stamping polish. Game changer when it comes to stamping. It picks up perfectly every single time, except if you scrape too hard. Didn't scrape hard if it's low and slow. Low and slow. Anyways, we'll get back to this. This is the manicure that I did. The polish I used is by Nail Reserves. It is called Beauty in the Nude. I have a sugar nail, which is the Brown Hollows. It's an old, not available, an old product by SheModern. They discontinued it as Sugar Crush. I love a textured nail. I think it is so pretty. But we used the stamping plate. It is, let me see, STZN07. It has got dream catchers on it, which is what I use. These 3 dream catchers here. The smallest one in teal. These 2 I did in the peacock, the periwinkle, and a little bit of black. This one I used the pearl white. So I'm hoping you can see that because they turned out so pretty. So pretty. I am Indian. I am Cherokee Indian. November is National American Indian Month. You people go around shouting, and I'm not trying to be prejudiced. Black lives matter, white lives matter. Excuse me. Excuse me. What happened to the American Indians who were here first? What happened to red lives matter? Y'all forget about that one, don't ya? Okay, my rant is over. We have our bling nail here, a little necklace light type design. I think this came out kind of cute. I'm really loving it. Really loving it. So, I got this off Amazon, I do believe. No, it was Amazon. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my Indian manicure for today. Feel like it's shining up. You can't see the nails. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, anything important that may come across my desk. Remember, go check out Leslie's channel, Hillbilly's Creativity. Tell her Just Nailed It sent you. Have a blessed day and thank you.